Hey guys, and today I'm going to make a video about this Nerf, but I forgot the name of it. But I'm sorry I didn't do the unboxing of it. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, as you see, we're down on the floor. So, to use this gun, you got to look right here, cock it that far. So then you can put the darts in. Oh, and to let you know, this only holds, it's a 6 mag. So it's 6 magazines. Yeah, there. It's 6 magazines. So yeah. Alright. Wait, I might have to go like this for a minute, so. Ah! This is not getting in. Oh, wonder why there's a bunch of bullets jammed in there. Doesn't mean. Alright, wait 1 second while I get the bullets. So here we go, 6 mag drum again. And now, as me, try to put this in. Why is this not getting in? Alright. I'll wait till I get... Alright guys, this might take a few minutes, so yeah, you guys have to like cock it back like a little bit more. So yeah, if you see it's not cocked back all the way, just cock it back a little bit. And then, sorry that took a long time. So then you put that back, and then now we're going to do a range test. And to let you know, you can use these darts in here. Wait. These darts in here. So yeah. Alright, time for range test. Alright, so if you see that Mary, I'm going to try to aim for that. So let's go. If I'm correct, that should be the last dart. Yep. So now we're just going to put the bullets back. So guys, I'll see you in the next episode. And as they say, it's Nerf or nothing.